Welcome. My name is Grant Allison. I am CEO of ACE, Allison CAD Engineering and Design. Thank you for being here with us today and giving us the chance to show you our plans to capture a new FDA contract for producing ventilator controllers by establishing a new dedicated facility. Note, for full project detail, please refer to the full report. ACE is an established business that thrives on making the problems of today's world our own. We live by the 3 P's of manufacturing: taking your product, applying the best process, and finding the right people for success. ACE is a customer-driven manufacturer, and by customer we mean externally and internally. We strive to put your needs first in producing better systems for achieving a better bottom line while serving as many people along the way as possible. At ACE, we currently have 5 departments: sales, marketing, general manufacturing management, HR, and engineering. Every employee seen here will be moved to our newly dedicated ventilator controller plant. This location will also become our new headquarters, as we have zero time to spare in saving lives and we want to apply our best people to do the work, including upper management. So why ventilator controllers? Well, this new market allows us to break in and fully pursue actions that align with our goals. It's our goal to produce quality ventilator controllers to give those in the medical field the tools they need to save lives. ACE is honored to be a part of turning the tides during this COVID pandemic. In order to produce efficient ventilator controllers, we have some key performance indicators. First, scrap rate. Lives are depending on our ventilators working and not failing under their own power at any point. Second, on-time delivery is crucial. We can't have hospitals waiting for their ventilator controllers to arrive while people are fighting for their lives. We need to give them the boost they need when they need it. Lastly, retention rate. Generally, we can tolerate losing about 30% of bad customers to retain 70% of the good ones. But in this new medical field, it's important for us to retain 95% of our customers in order to keep ourselves established as a reputable brand. The FDA has broken the nation into regions and is contacting us to supply the entire Great Lakes, which they declare as any state touching a Great Lake. The American Hospital Association states that this region is home to nearly 25% of all hospitals nationwide, each with 80 ventilator controllers per hospital. The FDA has established a plan for suppliers to replace 100% of those ventilator controllers over the next 4 years, or 25% per year. That comes out to 20 ventilator controllers per hospital, a total annual demand of 25,300 units. They also said that if all goes well over the 4-year contract, there is possibility of expanding the market nationwide to ACE as the main supplier. ACE is centrally located to this region. Our new headquarters and ventilator controller campus is located just south of Grand Rapids, Michigan. This allows us to establish a good footprint and central location for selling all of the Great Lakes states. It should be noted that we are also within 15 miles of a major airport for supply chain distribution nationwide and worldwide. Here is our preliminary product drawing with full bill of material. Our ventilator controller is a molded housing and cover with all necessary standoffs and cutouts for other devices, such as our color touchscreen interface. It has a battery backup in case of a power surge and an audio buzzer for any urgent alerts. Lastly, there is a USB port for any software updates. At ACE, we desire to return a 40% profit on our products. However, being that this is an FDA-regulated part, that entails more risk and liability, and being that it is our first medical device, we would like to return 100% profit on these ventilator controllers. This 100% profit allows ACE to keep 20% aside for additional compliance and regulation. With our market research, at ACE, we believe we can still be supplying a superior product at about the $1,200 range. This gives us a total allowable cost of $600. ACE is buying a 2-acre site that will be home to our ventilator controller facility. Initially, we will build an 8,800 square foot building to produce the demanded quantity. Our 2-acre site leaves us with plenty of room for growth. It also allows us to have a dedicated trucking entrance separate from our main driveway that visitors and employees use. We also have dedicated entries for manufacturing staff and office staff that help us stay safe during COVID. As you can see, there's a lot of work to be done, but ACE is up to the task and honored to be a part of giving our essential workers the best tools to save lives. At ACE, the people, our customers, come first, especially now. Thanks for being with us today and considering ACE as your source for ventilator controllers. If you have any questions, please reach out or refer to the full report for more information.